Welcome to mindful eating practice. For this practice, you will need a small piece of food. It could be anything like a grape, a chocolate, a raisin, or a small piece of bread. Anything is fine. Just find something small that you can eat and come back. So now that you have the piece of food, don't eat it yet. We'll start with centering ourselves. So just leave the food on the plate and close your eyes, sit upright. And let's take a long, deep breath in through the nose. And exhale very slowly through your mouth. Inhale through the nose, slow, long breath. And exhale through the mouth, slow, very slow, and relax. And now you may gently open your eyes and take a look at the food. Just examine all the details about this food that you can see. Look at the colors and any gradient of color that's changing or shifting. And look at the shape of it, any contours, folds. Just take all of that in through your eyes. Notice the smell of this food. And just simply looking at it, notice any emotions or thoughts that have started to come up in your mind. Notice any sensations within your body that this food is creating. And now take another look at this same piece of food. But this time, imagine you're looking at it for the very first time in your life. Pay close attention to all the details once again. And gaze at this food with a lot of curiosity. You've never seen anything like this before. And notice if that changes any thoughts or feelings that arise in your mind. Now pick that food and hold it in your hands. Notice the texture, the size of the food, the temperature of the food. Is it hot or cold? Now notice the weight of this food in your hands. Move your fingers on this piece of food and notice that change of texture, whether it's smooth, rough, sticky, moist, dry. And now take it closer to your nose and try to smell it. And notice if that sense of smell brings a sense of taste on your tongue. And now bring it back a little away from your face. And just think about how this food got to you. Is it from a plant or an animal? And how it got created? And visualize the entire process of all the people involved. The processing, the shipping, and the entire process of it coming to you on your plate in front of you and in your hands right now. Let's be grateful for this food and everyone involved in its creation and processing and preparation. Squeeze it a little bit to see its thickness and to see how it feels. And notice any thoughts and emotions in your mind and any sensations in your body. Think about if this piece of food is bringing any memories and any other reactions. And see if it's triggering any digestive response in your body. Are you starting to feel a little hungry? Notice the creation of saliva in your mouth. Now bring this food close to your lips and hold it right in front of your lips and notice any sensations once again. And gently take your very first bite into this food, just a small bite. And just roll this food around in your mouth with your tongue. Don't start biting on it yet. Roll it around and notice its texture with your tongue. Notice the flavor. And now very slowly begin to chew this piece, noticing the sounds, the movements within your mouth, the secretion of saliva and any other sensation that's arising. And take your time to really chew this food. Notice any change in your mood and thoughts. And then swallow this first piece. And now take another bite. And once again, notice what feels different with this bite. Noticing all the flavors, texture, temperature. Just take it in with all of your 5 senses. Then swallow. And you may do this until you finish the rest of your food. Just notice your experience. And compare this experience to the last time you had this food. What feels different? Did you enjoy it a little more? Did you feel a better connection with your food this time? And in general, what do you think of this activity and what message does it give you? Thank you so much for joining this mindful activity. Let me know in the comments how this experience was for you and what did you learn from it. Thank you so much and see you again very soon.